cars.
Okay, well, I'll talk
Easy
about
to
it
see on
anyway.
YouTube.
The reason why we call these Pacman noises is because I'm sure loads of guitarists made these noises, but they're not video game generation enough to really care about them. So we thought they were cool when we made them up. So Pacman noise, very easy. If you have any kind of metal object that's going to make some noise on the guitar, you just need to scrape over the middle pickup. You got a middle pickup, you know exactly what position it is. So let's do this.
Oh my god, how was that? Mix it with the ghost noise. Awesome!
That's the Pacman eating the dog, eating the dog, eaten by the dog. And, you know, another one, stupid one, I guess, I don't know where I'm